Do you know the funnest outdoor activity? It's camping. Do you know that one camping place has over 100 campsites? One reason camping is super fun is that you can ride your bike around the camp. Another reason camp is super fun is you can make a campfire and you can swim all you want. You can also learn about super cool, awesome, amazing things. Camping is also super fun is you can go fishing and catch all kinds of fish and so many others like mackerels and so many others. Camping is super fun too because at night you can hear the crickets making cool noise. Camping is fun everywhere, but my favorite place to go is Happy Anchors Campground because they have fun cabins. The cabins have bunk beds. Happy Anglers Campground is also super fun because there are lots of spots to play hide and seek. Happy Anglers Campground is also super fun because there is a lot of trees and a gift shop and a pool.
I don't have to.
This is a sneak peek of the cabin. In the first picture, there is a bunk bed with 3 platforms. In the second picture, there is a TV. In the third picture, there is a king-size bed.
What?
Camping is super fun in all ways. There is one more reason camping is super fun. Because you get to cook marshmallows.
No.
That is all I can think of. But don't wait. Go camping now. Don't waste your time. Go camping and make sure you pack. One camping place has over 100 campsites.